Shit. Ah, it's maybe an SBB. The one behind. Don't you think? The one behind.
Hijacking.
Because
Yeah.
Yeah, I like Ben.
It's bad, eh?
It's bad, eh?
Shit, eh? There's hijacking right there.
I think they want the one behind. Must be an SBV.
But did he shoot the driver? Or is it just one shot?
It's more of them, eh?
Yeah, fine. Well, what's he looking for, guys?
Light out.
Fucking cunts.
Hey guys,
Light down, eh?
lie down guys, eh? They'll shoot you.
Rich is standing by his window with the...
But right now, it's...
Yeah, you see the two red truck.
The guys still here, they leave our cars.
There goes, there's two trucks, eh?
There's another guy still.
Yeah, even there.
Check this guy is still on the road. This guy's still on the road here.
Yes, sis.
These guys are.
Like one of those are four. Oh, there was a guy that was walking.
Check, there's another guy.
Yeah,
There's a lot.
but they didn't hurt him at least. They're just taking his phone.
Is it?
Yeah. At least they didn't shoot
It's the
him.
dark house cars, eh? Check, there's
Nah,
another.
those
Check,
guys
there's
are
an
stolen,
AK.
they're stolen.
That's an AK. Check there.
Oh, come on.
So AK-47,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's an AK.
Because I heard. What?
There's a plate on that car.
There's a lot of guys here.
Can you get that, Neville?
Yeah, I'm trying now. Look at
Guys
that.
on the back of this.
Jesus.
It's another deck.
Yeah, it's safe though, yeah.
Fuck me.
How's our driver?
Hi there. There's been a serious hijacking on Old Pretoria Road by the Turkish Mosque between Diskem. There's a double cab blue Isuzu as well as an Audi A3 4-door. They've headed towards Tembisa. They've hijacked two trucks, it looks like. There's about 12, I'd say between 8 and 12 seriously armed men with semi-automatic rifles. You can send them towards Tembisa. They're going to be tracking an Isuzu double cab and a blue Audi A3.
Yeah, that truck must have some.
No, I'm a witness on the side of the road.
Must be that one.
Yes.
Yeah.
They shot him, yeah?
No registrations, unfortunately, but towards Tembisa, the cops should be chasing a blue Isuzu double cab and an Audi A3. Yeah.
He's waking up. No, he's waking up.
Alright, the guys better hurry because these oaks were quite vicious. So there was